Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is an update video on Reef Finance.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. This will be an update video on Reef, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not financial advice, and yeah.
So first things first, let's look at the Coinmarketcap. Just look at this market cap, guys. $300 million. It's tiny. Especially, I mean, obviously it matches with the price, but this is a very low cap gem for sure. If we're looking at its all-time high, which was 5.8 cents, so we're 60% down from that. That was still only about $800 million market cap, so we need about $500 million more to flow into Reef for it to beat its all-time high. But with all the updates that are coming out, sorry, not updates, all the partnerships Reef are having with these other companies is very, very good. It's helping boost Reef into, I guess, the next level. Will be at the 10 soon, I believe, with Reef. So as you can see, the total supply is 15.9 billion and the circulating is 13.63 billion. So this even means they haven't minted these yet, or they just haven't been released yet. We have about another 2.3 billion to be released back into the market, so about 90 something percent there. So the closer we are, the better, as it's more, as all the tokens are out there to be purchased, therefore more scarce. And as you can see, you can buy it from Binance, UOB Global, Gate.io, all the main ones, FTX. But obviously, I'd recommend you going with either Binance or FTX, in my opinion, or PolyNX. Any of these are really good, to be honest. Binance is fine now in the UK. It was always fine in America. Yeah, no problem there.
So as you know, Reef is part of DeFi. So what is actually DeFi? DeFi is decentralized finance, and they say it is an umbrella term for a variety of financial applications in cryptocurrency or blockchain geared towards disruption financial intermediaries. So, for example, you won't really need the bank anymore if decentralized finance becomes the way to go. So what is Reef's mission? Reef's mission is to make DeFi easy and accessible to more people. What is Reef Chain? Reef Chain is a smart contract blockchain that is backward compatible with Ethereum, so EVM. Reef Chain is, however, much more advanced than Ethereum, with its most notable features being on a blockchain, governance, and low transaction costs. So what is Reef Token? Reef Token is the native currency on Reef Chain and is used for transaction fees such as gas fees for Ethereum on the on-chain governance. Reef Token is also available on ERC20 on the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain and is convertible one-to-one with native Reef Chain tokens.
So as you know, it's on the Polkadot network. They only use next-gen blockchain technology, which would be Polkadot, of course. So utilizing a nominated proof of stake consensus, so EVM extensions, on-chain upgradability, LIB-P2P, so person-to-person networking, and state-of-the-art cryptography. So if we look at the main juicy bits of Reef right now, if you even go onto their Twitter, I don't know if you're following it like I am, then you always daily be receiving these notifications about new partnerships that Reef are doing. They're always doing new partnerships, as you can see here. Partnership with Clever, Canola Network collaboration will give Reef Chain users and community access to Canola's array of use case based NFTs. So you can see that's their cryptography. They're trying to expand in every part of crypto they can. So in my opinion, they are working so hard. Reef is seriously going to be going places for sure. I'm always buying more bags of Reef. It's a great coin.
So on their Twitter, we can see that Reef have been listing a lot of information and a lot of partnerships and a lot of collaborations that they have been doing. Also, new potential listings that they have been looking towards, such as Bits Vervo, which is one of the European leading exchanges. And finally, you can purchase Reef on there. Okay, you can buy, sell, reconvert, send, and withdraw, which is pretty cool.
And also, every single week they are having these AMAAs with Clever.io. Well, no, it's not always Clever, but they're doing it with other ones. So basically, they have a live stream, and I was actually joined the one the other night. It was really interesting. So what they're doing is so you have the director of comms for Clever. hosted by Derek Silver to share $200 prize pool. So not only are they answering every single Reef holder's questions, whoever joins, if you ask a question, they will literally answer it for you. There's also a chance to win a $200 prize pool. So what are Reef not doing? See, ledger giveaways here. It's a great coin to be looking at for sure. So that is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that subscribe button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you.